guys, my name is Nino, but just call me Nino. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be documenting my trading journey on this channel, and obviously later on in the future have a bit of vlogs here and there. But yeah, I'm going to be documenting my trading journey. I'm going to show you how I go from how I pass the funded account evaluation stage and go to the express funded account. I will be trading with TopStep, a 50k account. I find that TopStep is very affordable when you're working a normal average job here in South Africa. So I'm going to be explaining all that and having a nice breakdown on that in a separate video. But for now, I just want to take you through the week, this week that has just passed, Monday to Friday, all the trades I've taken, and just run it through with you guys. So yeah, so I do trade with TopStep, as I said to you. I do find them very affordable. I am trading futures. Like, you can go on YouTube, just search TopStep. You'll see a lot of guys that do trade, and there are a few videos with TopStep. And I just find futures much better than trading with the other prop firms, like the CFD prop firms. So I think futures is gonna be it's gonna blow up this year. To be honest with you, I think it is gonna blow up, and it's very convenient. Reason being, because you can trade on TradingView. I know everyone does the analysis on TradingView. Who wouldn't wanna buy and sell on this platform? Like, come on, dude. Okay, so let me take you through the week. This week I'll be back to trading. So yeah, obviously Monday I didn't trade. Tuesday I traded. So the whole plan was to get back into trading, ease into trading, but that flopped. Not gonna lie, that flopped. And as you can see here, on Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday was heavy losing days, dude. Wednesday was heavy losing days. So yeah, let me just take you through to Tuesday. So yeah, so we traded NAS 100 hashtag 17th trade. So I've been trading this combine since last year. Can't remember when last year, but I've been trading this combine. This is the 17th trade that I've placed on this combine. First trade of the new year. Okay, so we traded NAS. There was news, New York session, the trend was up. I took a long position. It was on the funded account. I had a limit order, so sell side was taken, and I placed a fair value cap. So it was basically the 2022 model. That's what I trade, RCT 2022 model. RCT 2022 model, if you want to put it on a business card, basically it is just a rate of liquidity and then a retracement to the opposite direction. Then you're looking for displacement with market structure shift, and then it should create a fair value gap, and then you take a buy or sell depending on the direction you want to go in. So yeah, so I gained a profit of $78. It was a one lot size. It was on the mini micro NASDAQ. So I was trading the mini, and then the pips that I risked, which in tick value, I can't think it out of the top of my head, but it's a decent amount. So the plan was just to ease into things. So there wasn't a lot of news, and then we got my execution over here. So I remember they was trending up, and then as you can see here, we got a little fair value gap over here, and here's 9:30 right here. As you can see, 9:30, we take out relevant equal lows right over here, and then we drop into this fair value gap. We placed a buy order here, and then we just targeted 40 ticks. So from there, 40 ticks would have been around about here, because this is where I exited. So I could have targeted the overall 9:30, well, 9:35 candle, because there's a 5-minute chart. Could have targeted those highs, but yeah, we just wanted to ease into things. Let's just go on to the next day. So you saw that winner. That was plain and simple. This day was horrible. So yeah, I traded NASDAQ again. This was the 17th, 18th, and 19th trade. So NAS 100, there was news, New York downtrend. I tried to short, but it was already heavily in a discounted range. Reason being, because I wanted to short it when it was already almost at the low, because I thought it was going to go deeper into a daily fair value gap area that I was targeting. So I thought, okay, I can catch it last little leg, but it already took out sell side liquidity, and I was just playing around in that area. Then it started to consolidate. Then it slowly but surely started to make its move up upward. And then on the third trade, I already saw like, sure, but I missed out. And it was my fault because I felt FOMO. Because I wanted to be in the trend that the market was going in. But it was already finished, and then it just completely reversed on me. So these two were mini micro trades, because you can see with the lot sizes that I placed, and then that was a normal contract size, and then I lost 300. So it was all in all about it's 500, $675. So as you can see right here is the session. This is when it basically starts. Here it's 12 o'clock. So as you can see, we're creating a breaker block here, taking out those highs, trading into that fair value gap, drop down nicely. Then we have a very, I think news came out here, drop down, take out sell side liquidity, and as you can see, breaker block set up high, lower low, and we come back into this little breaker block area here, trade into it nicely, which we get a nice reaction from. So just even aiming for these lows and that low would have given us a nice risk to reward ratio basically. So if we place the trade right here in the middle of the breaker block, stop loss would have definitely probably been above this high, targeting these lows. Probably could have taken 50% off here, but this low is actually lower than that. So it's basically, if we can target here, we'd make it relative equal lows. Target that because we know that that's where they'll be aiming for sell side liquidity. And then obviously this would have been just a bonus to trail your stop loss. And yeah, so I took one of the trades here because I thought we were going to go actually lower. So I thought we were going to retrace just a little bit into this fair value gap over here, but I know there was a deeper fair value gap here, like a smaller one on the lower time frames. So this was one of them. I tried to short over here this fair value gap, but it never worked, because if I followed my rules, I would have caught this bar. Because as I told you guys, that when you trade the 2022 model, you're looking for price to take out liquidity areas. So it can be sell side or buy side liquidity. In this case, we've taken out sell side liquidity, but my dumb ass wanted to catch the move down here to this daily fair value gap area. So I'm like, nah, dude, this is going lower. Like, why would it drop all the way down here and just stop for no reason? But when I took the range from here to here, 50%, it hit right on the dot there. So I didn't even take that into consideration. Only afterwards, I keep on doing this. Only afterwards, then I'm like, that's why I just stopped there. That's why I reversed. Then I'm like, I feel so stupid afterwards, but it's understandable because we're on a learning curve here, dude. Like, so yeah, there was the P&L, the daily P&L loss that I took. So I didn't show you all of it, but I'm just showing you like roughly, and I'm just talking about the things that I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, okay, the third loss of the day I remember now. I showed you the first one. Wait, I didn't show you the second one. Second loss of the day, first and second. So yeah, this one here was the first loss. I tried to take this fair value gap sell, and then yeah, then I re-entered again on this one. I re-entered again. So you guys can actually, when I'm going in here, you guys can actually just pause and just read the notes that I've made there, because the video is going to be way too long if I do. Okay. So this is the third trade, the losing one. So what happened was, yeah, I was done for the day after the second loss, because after two losses, I'm done for the day. So I could have actually saved a lot of P&L. I could have saved about 200 and something P&L. How much? I could have saved $300 if I didn't place this trade, but it was an honest mistake. So what happened in this trade was, I tried to place, what I thought is, because on the account, I can place, on the account, on TradeAway account, I can actually switch between the two accounts. So this is the trading account, then you get the practice account. So I thought I was on the practice account, where I could just place a demo trade. I come back an hour later after eating, just after eating and chilling, I come back and I'm like, I got in right here at the 50% level. And then when I came back, we were up here. We were creating this last leg up here. I was deep in profit, dude. Like $700 or $800, and I was trading on the normal NQ, as you can see here. I was trading on the normal NQ, $700-$800 up. I'm like, shit, that's a lot. Then I look, I'm like, shit, I'm on my real account. I'm on my funding account. Now I'm like, listen, yeah, it's already gone up this high. This is what I was thinking. It's already gone up this high. Surely we're gonna go for passive liquidity. I can see it because this is during, if I'm not mistaken, just after lunch. So here's 12. Retraces into that. Yeah, and then 1 o'clock is around about, somewhere around about here. And we're going up. Now I'm like, nah, this has to go up. You know, it's going up. I was 700. I could have taken it. I could have taken the money out. Thinking about it now, because I made the mistake. That's what I should have done. But you only realize things afterwards, and then I was like, nah, let's just let the trade play out. It's like, fuck it, you know. Should never have that fucking mentality. Like, on legit, it's just plain stupid. You gotta be thinking logically all the time. So yeah, then I wanted this fair value gap to hold up. I could like see it. But I think on the 15-minute chart, it traded into another fair value gap area here. So I just got basically stuffed. So takes up outside liquidity and just kept on running. And then I'll show you now, like, you guys can just pause it if you want to read through all that, you can. So yeah, here's the ES. Look at that, beautiful. So low, there's the high, here's the high, here's the low. You draw your range. Here's the 50% level. Equilibrium is this. So here's 10 o'clock, as you can see with this line. So look at that fair value. This is a 15-minute fair value gap. Beautifully trades into it. We run. I drew this out live, dude. I'm gonna try and add this clip in the video so I can show you how I drew this out live. I never said that I was gonna draw there, but I had it visually there so that I know, okay, it could react to that area. But I never typed it out, or I never said it live. I can't remember saying that, like, it was gonna tap into that area. But in the back of my head, I knew, okay, this is an area I want to watch and see how it reacts to the week. And then I'll show you now. Nasdaq. We had I saw this at the time. I saw that little fair value gap out there. And then I was like, nah, this thing's going higher. Look how we trade into that, and we just run. And we take out a nice fair value gap area here as well. Drawing from here to here. But even if I drew it from there, this would have been deep in discount. Because if I had to take this one level and put it up here, this 50% would have gone more up, and then we would have been under midnight price. This bar would have been amazing as well. Beautifully, dude. Beautifully, man. There's buy side, there's sell side. Look how we come and take sell side. So we just trade a little bit above this daily fair value gap. We trade above it. Then we drop down. This is 12 p.m. New York local time, which is the lunch hour. Then we drop down, take out sell side. We trade into a discounted fair value gap. And I actually drew that out way before time. I'm going to add that clip as well, bro. So we buy up off that discounted fair value gap to it. Look how beautiful that looks. It's like you're calling the market, man. Just look at that expansion off that area. Bang, shoots up, takes up outside liquidity, running out. So yesterday I placed the trade, but listen here, I went in with the intention of, let me show you here. I went in with the intention of losing the account so that I can start fresh next week. So I had basically $119 left in the account before it reaches the max loss limit. So the plan was just to go and trade Friday, just place a trade in the direction that it was going to go, okay? But I was hoping that drawdown was going to be enough to take me out, in a weird way. But it never happened because, look at Friday's price action. Look at Friday's price action. It is on the 15th. Friday's price action. We just ran. So I wanted it to draw down a bit more lower so that I can just lose. Here we go. NAS 100 pair I traded. There was news. New York session, uptrend, long the direction in the trade. I've just placed a market order, fair value gap in the discounted zone. On the 5-minute chart, made a profit of $535. So as you can see here, here's the discounted fair value gap area. So it bounced off that because I drew, I don't even have the low to high. Do I have the low to high? Okay, I don't. So what happened here, I even took the trade late. So I took it on this candle over here. So I bought somewhere around here, and then it just kept on going down. I was like, yeah, placed stop loss was around about here, low, because $120 was just here, somewhere around it, just underneath the equilibrium area here. So placed the trade, hoping that drawdown was going to take me out so that I can start a new funded account, so I can just fail this one. And then what happened was price just shot up. As you can see here, I put my stop loss just above here, and we got tagged out for $535. We shouldn't, I don't want people to do things like this. Like, if you wanna fail the account, just go balls to the wall straight away. You know, I think that's bad advice, but my plan is going forward, when I trade a funded account, when I'm trading this top step funded evaluation account, what I want to do is when I trade, I want to try and pass it as fast as possible. I want to get it to the express funded account stage where I just take it slow and easy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know the video was all over the place, but hopefully, well, I'm gonna definitely be trying to structure the videos better in the future, but this was just a raw edit and video. It's currently Saturday today, 12:30 SA time. Stay in Cape Town. Weather is absolutely, it's just hot. It's just bloody well hot. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tune in next week. I'll be dropping another video. What I want to do is make videos. I did live trade Wednesday and Thursday, both losing days, but I never traded the winning days. Tuesday I just traded off stream. Friday I also traded off stream, meaning off stream. I didn't record myself. But welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, I don't want to repeat myself and say I was all over the place, but yeah, I was. Hopefully this video is not horrible. But yeah, tune in next week or in the week for when I drop another video. And yeah, just thanks for being here, and support the journey, guys. Just support the journey. Comment down below if you want to know anything, or future video recommendations about Top Step, or about the Notion template that I have and how I go about things in trading. And yeah, like the video. I don't want to be that guy and say like and subscribe in every video, but I'm starting out, so I have to say it. Subscribe and like. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. See you in the next one.